What's going on, people? What's happening? Today we're going to look at another project. This time we're going to go for Lost in Space. Yes, we are. Okay, so you know what to do from the first project. Okay, will be in the description below, the two links for Scratch and for this project. So just follow along. So what we're going to learn is the following, so you can see the final product. This is what it's going to be. So you're going to need a computer, hardware, software. You can all see what you need from here. This is what we're going to learn. We're going to use a repeat loop to animate the sprite in Scratch. Use a forever loop to repeat an animation indefinitely, and understand that loops can be nested within each other. Okay, this is for educators. There's no need for you to look at this one. So let's go ahead and animating a spaceship. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to untick this because I've done this before. Alrighty, so open Scratch. Scratch is open. Add a rocket ship. Remove the Scratch, choose a sprite, type in rocket. Okay, bring it down here. And add the earth. We're going to do the same thing, add the sprite, search for earth. I like the search function, I think it makes life easier. Alright, so earth, provide the top right hand corner. Okay. Add the stars backdrop to your stage. Okay, so we're gonna go here, choose a backdrop, stars. It's all coming together. I like this. And always remember to tick it off. So tick, done, done. Okay. Now it's asking you to click on your spaceship sprite. Click on costumes tab. Okay, so click on spaceship or rocket ship, costumes. Use the arrow to click and drag a box around the whole spaceship image. Then click on the circular rotate handle and rotate the image until it's on its side. Let's do that. Perfect. Done. Add this code to your spaceship sprite. Go back to code, the top left, and we're going to choose an event when the flag is clicked. Now a motion, or you can always reference the color coordination, so it's blue for motion. Point in direction, and we're going to change the number to 0. Go to X 150 and Y 150 minus 150. Okay, say let's go for 2 seconds. You can always customize and make it your own. You can say let's start, whatever you like, for 2 seconds. Point towards Earth, back to motion. Okay, point towards, and we're gonna use a drop down, change it to Earth, and then we're gonna glide for 1 second to X 0, Y 0. Done. Now click on the green flag. You should see the spaceship speak, turn, and glide towards the center of the stage. Let's try that. I like that. Very nice. Okay. Now here's the challenge. Can you change the numbers in the animation code so that the spaceship moves until it touches the Earth? The spaceship moves more slowly towards the Earth. You will need to change the numbers on this block. Alright, so what I like to do, okay, is bring the spaceship back to its original position, and then here is where your answers are. So on the box here it says X, it's currently on -158 and Y -108. And see what happens when I drag the rocket ship, that those two numbers will change. Okay, keep an eye on those. See, I let go. And our challenge is, if you remember here, it says take a spaceship needs to move until it touches the earth, and it also needs to move more slowly. So the first one, this is our answer. So now we know it touches the earth at X58 and Y34. So we're going to go back to our code, change this to 58 and Y34. Perfect. So now let's click on the flagship, see what happens. Well, let's bring it back, fella. Go from here. Okay, I messed that one up. It should be on the glide section. Okay, so what was it before? It was 150, 150. All right, let's go change it back to 150. All right, so I put it in the wrong box, so my bad for that one. Let's go here. So we're going to use this number 55 and 38 on the bottom block. 55, 38. Okay, let's try that now. Boom, yeah, here we go. Now that was a bit too fast. Now we want to glide, change the glide to make it move more slowly. So let's change it to 10. Let's try again. You want gravity? Man, that's slow. We managed to complete that challenge. We made it go slowly and it touches the earth. Done. Next one. Animation using loops. Delete the glide block from your code. Okay. Delete. To just drag the block off code area, drop it where, okay, you can either drag it or you can just right click, which I've done, and delete the block. Done. Now use a repeat block to move your spaceship towards the earth. Okay, I like that. Repeat. Okay, go to control and then choose a repeat and change it to 200 and go to motion, move 2 steps. I like that. So let's go ahead and test it. Nice. All right, okay. Let's maybe change it to 100, see what happens. Maybe 150. I think 150 is right on the earth. 200 was flying off the earth, so I think this one looks better. So we tick that off. Next, add a code to your spaceship sprite so that the spaceship changes color as it moves towards the earth. Okay, now we'll go to looks. Let's change color. Let's go ahead and change the color. Put it inside the repeat block, the loop, and let's go ahead and try to test it. Nice, look at that. Wow, I like that. Okay, tick that off. You've done it, well done. Can I make your airship get smaller as it moves towards the Earth? How about we change the size? Let's change the size to 10, see what happens. Whoa! It's gone big. Okay. How about we do 2? I can barely see it. Okay, so you can always get a hint. Okay. Ooh, so if you your spaceship should start 100% size and then change size by a small amount each time it moves. I like that. So we changed the size by 10. That was there. Ooh, nearly there, nearly there. Okay, and then set the size to 100%. I like this. So they didn't put the 100% in the loop, so the 100% was up here. And then change size by minus 0.3. Okay. Interesting. Let's go. Fantastic. Look at that. That's excellent. So something new we learn every day, hey? Always remember you got the hints. Use the hints if you are struggling with the challenges. Test, save your code. Your spaceship should get smaller as it moves. Test your spaceship a second time. Is it the right size when it starts? That's a very good question. Maybe we can make our spaceship smaller. Go to 70. Yay, let's make the Earth smaller. 70. Yay. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We'll keep it 100, I think. Yeah. Earth should be bigger than a spaceship. Okay, done. Tested. Now we're gonna get the floating monkey. Okay, so let's do that. Go to the sprite. If I can spell. Here we go. Now click on the monkey, click on costumes. It's right at the top. Set the fill to be transparent. By selecting the red line for the outline, set a white color by moving this saturation slider to 0. Nice. Done. Click on the circle tool, then use it to draw a white space helmet around the monkey's head. Okay. This one is in my way, so here we go, circle. There we go. That looks good. Done. Okay, so now go back to code, click on the monkey. Can you add code to your monkey sprite so that it spins slowly in a circle? Wow, that's a hint. Okay, because we're using the loop, so we're gonna go control forever, motion, and then use the event when clicked, like that. Okay, turn 1 degrees. Okay. Okay, so we've got the code set up. Looks right. Maybe. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Add the rock sprite to your animation. Okay, let's do that. We don't want a backdrop, we want to choose a sprite. Okay, hint, forward. Okay, let's add the code for the rock. It's great to see because every time you click on a sprite, look in the top right within the code, you can see the image of which sprite you're using to code. So now I'm clicked on Earth, Spaceship, Monkey. You can see the monkey here, rock. So this way it doesn't confuse you. It can get confusing. So here we go. That's really helpful. Thank you. Thank you, Scratch. And now we're going to go to motion, point towards. Okay. Get the forever loop. Move 2, so back to motion. If on edge, bounce. Okay. We're gonna stay in the motion, so here we go. So I'm going blind. Here we go. There you go. If on edge, bounce. Good. Done. Thank you. Now you combine loops to make a a shining star. So add a shining sprite, shining star, type in star. Okay, done. Can you add echo to your sprite to make this star repeatedly grow and shrink? Done this before. Well, let's just have a look at the hint. Go to control. Events. Control forever. Repeat. 20. Change size. repeat. Oh, you remember you can just duplicate, so let's duplicate. Right click, you can duplicate 20, change size by -2. Okay, done. Let's have a play around with it. Come on. Yay, look at that. Oh, that looks good. I mean, feel free. This is my first time doing it, so I had fun. I'm sure you will have plenty of fun, plenty of projects to work through. And yeah, thanks for watching. And in the next video, we're gonna crack on with another animation. Okay, thank you and keep leveling up. Cheers, bye bye.